Hello, welcome to the Brothers Barn. I'm James, and today I'm going to show you how we're going to winterize our trailer. So if you got a trailer that sits outside all winter and you're in a cold environment, you might want to check out this video and see how to get it winterized. So let's go check it out. Alright, first what you need to do, if you haven't done it already, is go get you some RV antifreeze. So picked this up at Royal King and it was about $2.50 a gallon, so make sure you get you a few of those. This one in particular is rated to -50, so where I'm at, that's plenty. Normally we don't even get much below -10, so that should do us just fine. So the next thing you need to do is get you a bucket. So I'm going to open up a few of these. I'm going to dump them in the bucket. So next you want to make sure you got your garden hose hooked up and your pressure line hooked up, because we're going to antifreeze everything. So I just got a small garden hose here that we're going to just keep in this little tank here of antifreeze. It's kind of stiff, so get the idea. And then over here I'm going to keep an empty bucket so the water and the antifreeze can go back in there so we can get rid of it properly. And then I just got another extra bucket for overflow. Turn on the pressure washer, choke it, turn the gas on. So when you start seeing that all pink is coming out, you know you got that winterized. So now we know the hose and the pump, everything is got antifreeze in it, so we should be good there. And then if we look at our gallon right here, we went through pretty much almost 3.5 gallons. So that got us to the hose and the pump. So now we're going to go to the soft wash system and winterize that. Okay, now we're going to winterize our little pump and our little tank over there. And our 200 feet of hose. So it's kind of the same concept. Oh yeah, can't forget the proportioner over here. Gonna winterize it, but we are gonna take it down because we gotta work on it. But basically I want to turn the water all the way on, make sure the other two knobs are off, because that's where we're going to pull out of. It's just right out of the water. So that's what we got. Got set up there. And turn on the pump. Sucking that up. Red in the lines. So our first bottle is getting full, so we're going to switch that out. You can see the lines are getting red, so that means that is all getting antifreeze put in it. And we're just trying to fill this up, so that way we don't have any issues with our stuff. So I ran that a little bit longer just to use every bit that I had and to make sure everything, but you can see there's pink in there, pink in the lines, and it's kind of hard to see, but there is a pink tint through these lines, so I think we got everything done. So that is how we winterize our trailer, get it ready for winter, or if we're trying not to do any jobs until it gets a little bit warmer out. That's kind of what we do. So we used probably about 6 gallons to winterize basically 400 feet of hose, 200 feet for the soft wash, 200 feet for the pressure line, and then our pressure washer and our soft wash system. So I hope this video helps. If you would, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave some comments below if you like. If you got any questions or something you'd do a little different, let us know. Appreciate it. Till next time, later everyone.